This is tutorial number 99, and it covers how to use the Scale Sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a new part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So in this tutorial, what we're going to cover is how to use the Scale Sketch feature. And why we would use the Scale Sketch feature is if, say, we have a whole set of drawings that have dimensions on it, and we want to scale the whole part by, say, 1 to 3. So all we'd have to do, instead of on the side calculating every single time for every single dimension, we can actually draw the sketch on there, then just scale it all for whatever the scale would be, say 1 to 3. So to start off, let's click Sketch, click the front plane, and click Line, and let's sketch something out. So just make funky sketch, doesn't have to be perfect, just make it intricate. Something that you wouldn't want to scale yourself. Click OK. So now we have the sketch, and if we wanted to go and scale it and change all the dimensions, it would be quite tedious and very hard. So we'd have to go around to each individual part, change the dimensions, use a calculator, multiply it all out, do whatever we need to do, then add them in. It's too much work. So to quickly do this, go back into the sketch, click Tools, Sketch Tools, then click Scale, click the sketch. Now you can do each line individually, or you can do the whole one. So let's do the whole one here. And click OK. And you can see the scale coming out. Now when you click the scale about, you're going to be scaling about a point or a line. So each one that we pick, that's the one that it's going to originate from. So let's say that we want to do it around the circle here. So click there, it's going to originate around there. So now you can see that it's 5 to 1. Now this time let's put 0.5, and we get it 0.5 there. Make it 10, and it scales out 10 times. Now you can also change the number of copies. So it keeps going out, out, and out. Just keep it to 1, and that'll give you your 1 copy. So from this one sketch here, say we wanted to make it 10 times, all that we had to do was put in the 10, choose the point that we want to scale it from. So you just click a point, a line, and it's going to do it around there. That just kind of fixes your sketch, so it allows it to go there. 10 multiplies it by 10, and this gives you the number of copies. So each time you do it out, out, and out, it's going to get bigger and bigger. Okay, now click OK. Say that we got our 10 that we want, click OK, and the sketch is there. Now you're able to go back and delete the original one, accept this one, and then from there you're able to do whatever you want. Say you want to extrude, lets you extrude it out. So from an original sketch, we're able to scale the whole sketch out up to whatever it is that we want it to be. So if we have a whole set of drawings and dimensions, we can actually just put it in there, then use the scale instead of manually doing each dimension. Or if we already have a part that's in there and say that we want to change the scale of how big, how large, how small the part's going to be, that's all we have to do. Just change the sketch, use the sketch scale, and it easily and quickly does it for you. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the Scale Sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS.